So to transfer the Fiverr message to a new phone, you can use the following method. So first of all, use that you can use Fiverr backup and restore feature. So on your old phone, you have to open up your Fiverr and go to your setting here. Go and open up your Fiverr here, and on your Fiverr, you have to navigate to your Fiverr setting. So on the more option, you can see the setting here. So on the setting, you can see the account, and on your account, you can see the Fiverr backup. So you have to back up your Fiverr here. So you have to install your Fiverr, and so you have to choose your Fiverr here. So you have to choose your Fiverr backup here. So on your new phone, you have to install your Fiverr and sign in with your account, and you have to choose the restore from backup. Also, you can go for your Google Drive, and on your old phone you have to go to your setting account and Google Drive and go for the backup, and you can restore it on your new phone by installing your Fiverr and signing with your Google account. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily transfer the Fiverr message to your new phone. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.